In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code to Shopify store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to safely place your HTML so it shows up right where you want it on your storefront. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store. This takes you to your theme area. Under Themes, find the theme you're working on and choose Edit Theme. This opens the visual theme editor where you can add, arrange, and configure content on your pages. Inside the editor, navigate to the page or template where you want the HTML to appear, such as your home page or a specific template. Click the section of the page where you want to place the code, then add a new block or section, and choose Custom Liquid. Custom Liquid is the built-in option that lets you drop in snippets of HTML or liquid directly onto the page. If the block doesn't land exactly where you want it, select the correct section again and add Custom Liquid until it appears in the right spot, then drag it to adjust its position. Once the Custom Liquid block is in place, click Save. Saving here locks in the new block so you don't lose your placement while you work. Now click on the Custom Liquid block you just added to open its settings. You'll see a code field. Click into that field and type or paste your HTML. This is great for things like embed codes, simple widgets, or custom markup you've received from a trusted provider. If your embed includes script tags, make sure they're allowed by your theme and that they come from a reliable source. If something doesn't render in the editor preview, don't worry. Some embeds only show on the live page. After pasting your code, click outside the field to apply the change in the preview. If needed, adjust the block's position again so it aligns with your design. When you're happy with how it looks in the editor, click Save once more to publish the change to your theme. That's it. You went to Online Store, opened Themes, edited your theme, added a custom liquid block in the right spot, saved the placement, entered your HTML, and saved again. As a quick final check, preview your store on desktop and mobile to confirm the embed looks good and doesn't slow down the page. If something seems off, revisit the custom liquid block, tweak the code or block placement, and save again. You now know the cleanest way to embed HTML in your shop.